Thank you for joining me. I want to talk to you about the Secure Act and the changes that have occurred with stretch provisions in your retirement accounts. The Secure Act has changed many different elements of retirement plans. One of the key elements is the stretch provisions. Now, just to give you a context of what these are, this is a way that you could leave money as part of the beneficiary designations on your retirement accounts to, say, your kids, your grandkids, someone other than your spouse. Now, what this will also allow you to do is have them be able to stretch that account over their lifetime. So what they would do would be that they would take a small amount out of the account, but leave the rest to grow. And if they're young enough, this may be, say, a 50-year window or more, that this account could grow. Now, over the course of time being invested, that could be substantial growth. The change that has occurred is that no longer are you able to stretch that account as the beneficiary over your lifetime. Now it's a 10-year window. Now what that means is that we have to take the entirety of that inherited IRA, the account that you gave to your kids or grandkids. We have to take the entirety out over the course of a 10-year window. We don't necessarily have to take it out in years 1 through 9, but we have to take the entirety of the account out in year 10 and pay tax on it. That is a huge change because that may be different than what you wanted. Part of your goals is leaving money as a legacy. There's still some planning tools and techniques that can be utilized to make sure that your goals are met as best as possible, but this complicates things just a little bit. I would love to talk to you more about your situation. Love to talk to you about the ways that we can still accomplish your goals, even with the new Secure Act. Call me as you have questions, and I'll be happy to meet with you, talk with you, and see if there's any changes in your personal retirement plan that we need to account for. Take care.